Hi guys, this is Ravikran. Welcome back to my channel, and today also I'm back with another video, that is a review of Aprilia SXR 160, the new maxi scooter from Aprilia. So this video is also available in Telugu, so those who want to see the video in Telugu, so you can watch that video as well in my channel, or else I will keep the link in my card. So do watch the video if you want to watch in Telugu. And first of all, I have to thank you each and everyone, because of your love and support our channel is doing great, and this is all because of you. So once again, thank you so much for your love and support. And today I'm going to review the all new Aprilia SXR 160. So in this video I'm going to tell each and everything, like the features, ride review, so each and everything will be covered in this single video. So do watch the video till the end, and if you are new to my channel or watching my videos for the first time, please click subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you will get my updates immediately when I upload a video. So without getting late, let's get started with a review. This is the all new Aprilia SXR 160. So this is a maxi scooter, so which means this scooter can be used for highway commutes as well as touring. So you can take this scooter for touring as well. So the design wise, the scooter looks stunning. So this actually gives you good road appeal as well. So let's start up with the main engine specifications. So basically this is a 160cc vehicle. That means it has 160cc engine with 3-valve technology, single cylinder, and the main power. So coming to the power, this has 11 PS power at 11.6 Newton meters of torque. So basically the engine of this SXR 160 and SR 160 both are same. So the engine actually is tuned in different way. So that will be experienced in ride review. So watch the video till the end, so you will come to know about the power as well. One of the main thing that stands out for this maxi scooter is its windscreen. So all the maxi scooters comes with big windscreens. So basically what does a maxi scooter mean is that a scooter with big size that is capable of taking on highways, as well as you can take it on for tours. So you can use in city, you can go for highway, and you can even do for long rides. So this is all about the maxi scooter, which means added comfort with bigger engine. So basically we all know all the scooters have 110cc, 125cc, but this has 160cc, which is capable of doing highway rides as well. And everything is maxed out, like the seat, the engine size, the body, everything is maxed out. So that is a simple definition of maxi scooter. Its main features: we got triple LED setup with LED DRL, and big windscreen on the front, and then the front end looks very heavy. Front telescopic suspension with single channel ABS, 12-inch wheels, 120/70 12-inch wheels with single channel ABS on the front. You got 220mm front disc, so the braking bite is also good. And let me show you the rear as well. So this is the exhaust looks very bulky, like this is in a shape of rectangular cube. And coming to the rear section, this is the all new LED tail lamp from Aprilia. Looks very good from each and every angle. The vehicle looks very stunning. And you got monoshock suspension, which is adjustable. So the suspension can be adjusted as per your rider choice. So either you can make it hard, you can make it soft, so that is also depend upon your rider choice. And I have said this bike has 11 PS power, 11.6 Newton meters of torque with 3-valve engine. And coming to its main instrumentation console or the handle cockpit. So the handle is actually detached from the body. So the body remains still same, but the handle actually moves. And let me show you the instrumentation panel as well. So this is the instrumentation panel, how it looks. Actually it looks very great. RPM meter, speedometer. On the top left you got ambient temperature. And this bike also has some mode button. That is, if you press this mode button, the information on the screen will be changed. So this is not a race mode button, but the information will be changed when you click this mode button. And there is also a mode button on the screen, and as well as set to 0 the trip meter. And you got engine malfunction light, turn signals, high beam, low beam, and ABS light. So basically this has single channel ABS on the front, and drum at the rear. And on the handlebar you got self start button, mode, and on the left side high beam, low beam, power switch, indicators, horn. So basic features, this all comes with this Aprilia scooter. And it also has a big glove box. So if you want to open that, just click it inside, and this is how the glove box. Let's open up the under seat storage. So this is how the under seat storage is. You can fit a half face helmet and you got a light here, and fuel knob, battery. Under seat storage is not that great, but it can manage a half face helmet and some amount of stuff in the front. So this is how the under seat storage is. And coming to its seat design, the seat design is also a little bit different because this seat has two layers of pattern. One is a texture layout and one is a soft layout. Really gives you some amount of grip to the rider. And the fuel tank capacity of this vehicle is 7 liters. So you can expect a mileage somewhere around 32 kilometers per liter. And these are some basic features of Aprilia SXR 160. So now let's go for a ride and see the ride impressions. The dash looks really amazing. So this is the RPM meter. Now let's check the power. 11 PS at 11.7 Newton meters of torque. Oh, initial impressions. I can feel the power is so linear. Wow, this is actually smooth. The suspension is on a softer side. And note, the speedometer is disconnected as well as ABS. So ABS unit and speedometer are disconnected in this particular vehicle. So let's check the power one more time. The power is actually linear, it's not too punchy. As we see in the SR160, SR160 has some amount of power kicking in. So this bike doesn't have that much of power. So basically this has same engine, but the engine is tuned in different way. Basically this is used to take this vehicle in highway touring as well as long city ride commutes. So braking bite is also good. So riding in the Rouge Gravel actually lacks some amount of confidence, as this bike has broad tires, but confidence levels are little bit low on the loose gravel, but still this works very fine when compared with other vehicles. So if you compare the scooters with other scooters, then this is the scooter which has good riding stability. So power wise, as it has 11 PS power, the power is actually linear, it is not too torquey. Basically the SXR 160 and SR 160 has same engines, but the engine tuning is little bit different. So we feel some amount of power in SR 160 when you open the throttle, but the same thing you won't feel in this particular SXR 160. So basically this is all because this is actually meant to commute in highway. Like this bike can easily cruise at a speed of 80 km per hour without any lag or issues. So maximum speed will be 100 km per hour. So this is what the SXR 160 can do. So maximum speed will be 100 km per hour and you can cruise at speed of 80 constantly. So this is about the power figures. And coming to the suspension is very soft. Brakes are also very good. And now let's check the brakes. Let me check the brake here. Wow, braking bite is also good, as ABS is disconnected, but still the braking is also good. Overall I can say this is a maxed out scooter with maxed out price. So this bike is priced at rupees 1,52,000 on road. So for this price point you are getting a big 160cc engine scooter. So those are fans of scooters, then definitely you can offer this particular SXR 160, and mileage is claimed to be 32 kilometers per liter. And coming to the service figures, for each and every service it will cost you somewhere around 1,000 to 1,500 rupees per service. So this is what the service guys said about the maintenance of this SXR 160, and apart from that everything is good. And this is the simple review of SXR 160 from Aprilia. So if you like this video, hit the like button and share the video with your friends. And if you want to purchase this vehicle or any inquiries about this particular Aprilia or any models, I will leave the showroom details below. You can contact them. And you can also follow my updates on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is Ravikiran Kasturi. So you can follow me on that. So see you in another video. Until then, bye. This is Ravikiran signing off.